Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with slime. Okay, I made a slime tutorial just before this video, so you might want to go check that out. That's quite a good video. So yeah, this is basically a slime tutorial. Well, not a tutorial. Did I say slime tutorial? If I did, then it's a slime collection. It was supposed to be a slime collection, but it came out as tutorial. So this is the blue slime in that tutorial. If you haven't watched that video, then go check that out after you've watched this one. I'm making a video. So, yeah. I'm making a video.
You know your yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you call it pineapple chunks?
Ow. I make it. My fans are gonna choose a name for it. Blue.
You don't have any fans.
I do. Remember to comment down below the names that you think we should call these slimes.
Start it up to video 3.
I'm just doing a playing with slimes video. Stop messing around. This is my stupid sister
Can you
here.
see me? Can you see me?
No. Stop. This is my sister from the slime tutorial. She's being very weird now.
I'm not weird.
You are.
I'm not.
Anyway, next slime.
Anyway, let's get on with the video.
See, she's being weird.
What? You absolute liar.
So, if after this video, obviously watch the slime tutorial and then go check out Mady's.
It's obvious that you've watched the slime video.
Then go and check out my friend Mady's channel.
Check out my
Just
channel.
put in Mady Townsend. Mady, M-I-A. No.
Oh, Mason!
Stop.
He just farted.
Stop. M-A-I-D-I-E.
Typical
And then
boy.
Townsend.
I'm fine.
So, just put that down.
I'm fine.
This one, you've got to also think a name for this one.
I'm thinking pineapple chunks.
Well, you got to go watch a video then and comment it down below.
No thanks, I'd rather not.
So, this is the yellow slime from the tutorial.
Called pineapple chunks.
It's not called pineapple chunks. Unless only people choose a name.
I'm a people.
Yeah, but I need other people to
There you
choose
go.
it. Anyway, next slime is
Oh, this leaves
a big
yellow on you.
batch. I know.
That's like white slime.
This isn't white slime. It's supposed to be like
Has a bit
really
of
light
yellow in
green.
it.
Stop. It's supposed to be really light green, but it went kind of
Let's feel it.
horrible when I put the. Can you get off?
Wait, I want to.
Yes.
It's a bit wet and soggy, but it's good. It's a good.
It's better than yours.
It's a good slime.
I'll give it and go away.
Can I play with a bit?
No.
Wait, I need to get all this off me.
Just don't wash your
There.
hands. She's so annoying.
Check out my channel, guys.
Don't. Don't check out her channel.
Please.
You don't hardly do any videos. Okay, go check out her channel, but there's no videos on there. Okay, there may be a few, but they're probably terrible. But anyway. So one time, I'm going to do, one day, I'm going to do a slime tutorial video with my sister. So we're both going to be making a slime each. So, yeah. These are the only containers I have at the minute. So we're going to go into Eastwood, into the shop called Boys. And then we get these small containers.
I'm just going.
So there's there's 2 containers with green lids, but that one's pink. And then there's 2 containers with obviously the pink lids. And then there's 2 containers with the blue lids. My cousin came today, his name's Millen. And he had the green ones because his favourite colour is green. I had the pink ones because my sister's favourite colour is blue. And then Jess had the blue. So, yeah. Next slime. This is the curly one that you don't have to think of a name for, but you can always think of one if you want. If it's better than you guys think of a name for all of the slimes. But I can't.